Hey, it's Clay. I'm here to talk about how to create a WordPress blog for your English 3010 class. I have open on the screen the Research Journal 1 for the course, and this just asks you to read the syllabus, talk about what you think it means for you, what you might do for the extended writing project, and why you think that might be important for you, as well as identify any questions you might have. To complete this, you should post this on your WordPress blog or some other blog that you might want to use, like Blogger, Google Blogs, or whatever. And I'm going to show you how to do WordPress blog. I think it's pretty easy to use. It's free. So that's what this video lecture will do. Now first I'm going to go over to the switch applications here. We have the WordPress.com website. Come over here, click on Get Started, and then this will come up. You type in your email address, type in a username, choose a password, and then choose a blog address. Like for example, you might say Clay Walker, English 3010, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter. And then once you're done, you'll click on Create Blog. This is the free option here in this column. You don't need to pay for anything. Choose the free option. But I've already created a blog. I already have an account. So I'm going to go over here, and so here I am. I've created this blog. Once you go through the registration process, you'll get a confirmation email. You'll have to open up your email address and confirm that email. Some people may have problems with their Wayne State email address. If you do, you can always switch to another email address you have, like a Gmail or Yahoo or whatever email address. But I've got a pretty plain blog here. Nothing's in it right now. Clay Walker's English 3010 blog as the title for it here. And what I'm going to do is hover over this little world icon, go to the dashboard. This is where I can sort of edit all of my work and create new things. So I'm going to click on posts. Okay, and I'm going to add a new post. Just show you guys how to do this here. So I'll call this Research Journal number 1. So, this is where I'm going to type my response to the assignment. So I'll say, I'll talk about, the questions. Oops. Okay, so just typed up a few things real quick. Alright, so I've got this little post. It's not very good. Yours will be better. And I can scroll down here on the right. I can add tags here. This will just help keep my information organized. I'm going to say Research Journal is a tag, syllabus is a tag, maybe extended writing project. It's good enough. Alright, I'm going to click on Publish. After I click on Publish, it's going to make this writing available for everybody. The other options are to save the draft, and then you can come back and publish later. Alright, so I've got this. You can see I'm on the main page of the blog here. I click on the title of my blog. I'm going to click on the title of my post here, Research Journal 1, and what I'm going to do now in order to share this in Blackboard, I've clicked on the title of the blog. So again, clicking on the title of the blog, click on the title of the post here, clicking on Research Journal number 1. This will bring up just my research journal. I'm going to copy the URL, I'm going to go back to Blackboard, and then here I'm going to write a submission for this assignment, and I'm just going to paste the link. And that's all you need to do. You can submit it. Once you've done that, you're ready to submit your assignment, as long as it's available on your WordPress blog. If you want to revise your writing, you can. You can always go back to your dashboard here. Go to your posts. I think it's pretty easy to navigate once you get a feel for it. So you can click on posts, for example. I'll open this. I can edit it. I can make the changes I want to do, and then I can click on update. You can also insert images into your writing. You can do block quotes. You can add links. All sorts of things are possible here. Feel free to play around with them. And if people have questions, I'm always happy to talk through how to get your way around WordPress.com. Anyway, so this has been the video lecture on how to create a WordPress.com blog. You'll have to keep a blog for the class. It's required. And like I said, all of your work is going to be there throughout the semester. But you'll also have to upload the URLs to the assignments. And all the assignments tell you when you need to do that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me again in our course. Just click on this link for the instructor profile, and then you can find my email address and phone number. Thanks.